रोल नंबर 104 स्टार्ट कीजिए आप लोग अपना पीपीटी। स्क्रीन शेयर का परमिशन आपको दे देना है। सॉरी, हम स्क्रीन शेयर कर दिए हैं। हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर का परमिशन आपको दे दिया गया। इसमें स्क्रीन शेयर कौन कर रहा है? रोल नंबर 5। काइंडली आप लोग वीडियो ऑन रखिएगा।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग। वीडियो कैमरा ऑन कीजिए। आप लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं रखते हैं आप लोग, प्लीज। पुट ऑन योर कैमरास।
Okay. Okay, sir. So now my screen is.
आपका स्क्रीन तो अभी तक नहीं दिख रहा है मिस्टर।
Now,
हाँ
sir.
हाँ, अभी स्क्रीन शेयर हो गया आपका।
Okay. Good morning, sir. I am Aditya Raj, and now I would like to telling about math module. So let's start. First of all, I meet my team members. First, 24 roll number Rian, who is the topic the math.f mode, and the second topic the math.f, and the second is the 44 roll number Arjit Raj, who is the topic deal the math.log 10 and the math.factorial, and the third one is the 64 roll number Rahul Kumar, who is the deal the math.cell and the math.erf, and the third is the 104 Shruti, who is the deal the topic math.power and the math.floor, and the last one is the roll number 5 Aditya Raj, who is the deal the math.is finite and the math.is infinitive. So let's start. First of all, I call the roll number 104 Shruti Verma.
Apart from you two, 3 are absent today.
Yes, sir. Yes. I requested to 104 Shruti Verma.
Thank you, Aditya. Good morning, sir. Myself, Shruti Verma. I will discuss about math.power and math.floor. Slide number. Math.power. The math power method returns the value of x raised to power by. If x is negative and y is not an integer, it returns value error. Let me show you example. See, math.power 6 or 2. Score output 36.0. And second one is math.floor. The floor function is Python method is used to return the closest integer. Let me show you example. Import math math.float 78.9 or output 78. Thank you, sir.
हो गया आपका?
Over to
Okay, over to Aditya. Aditya, I'm not hearing your voice right now. Aditya?
Now I am audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Math.ISINFINITIO, the check the number, who is the finite and
Is infinity or is finite?
is finite, sir.
Is
Sir, who
finite.
is the check the number is the finite or not?
Not.
Yes, sir. Let's check the example. First of all,
Right now you are not audible.
yes, sir. First of all, check the in the ideal Python programming. So check the first of all dot the math, import math, then math dot is finite and check the one number.
No. And your number is 678.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
So 1 minute. Math dot is finite seven eight nine. Then enter the value true. That is the check the value of the 789 is the finite number.
So it will return true.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So our next topic is the math.ISINF. That is the check the number who is the infinite or not. Let's check the examples. First of all, import math, then math dot is inf, then check the value. Any number I can choose the 1789. So false. This number is infinitive.
So
Not
it will.
infinite.
Yeah, this is not infinite. This is not infinite number. This is a finite number.
Yes, sir.
So it will return.
False.
In this case, false.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when it will return the true? When the number is infinite.
Yes,
Our
sir.
number will be infinite.
What, sir?
When it will return the true. ठीक है, आप बढ़िया फंक्शन लिए हैं.
Yes,
जैसे
sir.
अभी जो नंबर दे रहे हैं इस केस में वो क्या देगा? ट्रू देगा कि फॉल्स देगा? आप रन भी करा रहे हैं तो रन करा के चेक कर लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Number
6799999 जो आपने दिया है, ठीक है, मल्टीपल टाइम्स, चाहे
yes,
जितने भी टाइम्स आप देंगे, लेकिन नंबर इज अ फाइनाइट, इनफाइनाइट.
sir. Infinite, sir.
This number is infinite, so it will in
Yes.
this case it will return true. It means it will return true. If it is infinite, then this function return true, but the output is
false.
Why it is giving false?
Because sir, it is a finite number, and
So one time you are saying that it is an infinite number, one time you are saying that it is a finite number. What is this? First of all, tell me 67.999 you are written here. Okay,
yes,
it is a finite number or infinite number?
finite number, sir.
It is a finite number. Okay.
Yes.
My
Yes.
question is when it will return true. You
Sir,
said
when
that.
yes,
You said that if the number is infinite, then it will return true. Clear?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So which number is the infinite number? How we can recommend the number is going to be infinite?
Root under 3.
Root
I
under
think
3 is a root under, if I am writing root under 3, this will give the infinite number.
yes, sir. You have 5.
अगर मैं किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करूं
Yes, sir.
तो क्या रिजल्ट आएगा?
0.
अच्छा, किसी भी नंबर में 0 से डिवाइड करने पे रिजल्ट 0 होता है, कहाँ पढ़े है? थोड़ा मैथ पे जोर डालिए। किसी भी नंबर में 0 से डिवाइड करने पे क्या होता है? 0 होता है। अनडिफाइंड उसको बोलते हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। और अनडिफाइंड एक तरह से इंफिनिटी होता है, ठीक है। अनडिफाइंड को हम लोग क्या मान सकते हैं? एक तरह से इंफिनिटी मान सकते हैं। चलिए, एनीवे आपका फंक्शंस बढ़िया था। यही 2 फंक्शन है ना आपका, या और भी है?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट कौन सा ग्रुप है?
रोल नंबर 17 सर।
रोल नंबर 17 और
सर मेरा
रोल
ग्रुप
नंबर
पहले
58।
अरे पहले एक ग्रुप को ही बोलिए, सबको
मेरा
बारी
ग्रुप
बारी से
सर
मौका देंगे। पहले 17 बोला है, तो 17 के साथ कौन कौन है?
तो मेरे साथ
के साथ कोई नहीं है सर, वो अकेला है।
नहीं, अकेले वाले जो है थोड़ा होल्ड कर सकते हैं। मतलब आपसे बर्दाश्त हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है कि आपका कर ले प्रेजेंटेशन हम पहले, कि आप स्टे कर सकते हैं कुछ देर?
स्टे कर रहा सर।
ठीक है, तो और कोई ग्रुप में बोलिए, पहले ग्रुप में जिनका ग्रुप अवेलेबल है।
रोल नंबर 58।
हाँ, 58,
19
19,
38
38,
79
79,
98।
98, वेरी गुड। कौन इसमें प्रेजेंट कौन कर रहा है?
सर रोल नंबर 98 स्क्रीन शेयर करें।
98 स्क्रीन शेयर करेगा, ठीक। चलिए स्टार्ट कीजिए। अच्छा, 1 मिनट स्टार्ट करने के पहले थोड़ा एक ये है इसमें, क्या बोलते हैं, 1 मिनट।
शेयरिंग स्क्रीन। सर am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but your screen is not sharing here.
Is it visible now sir?
Right now it is going to be visible. Yes, now it is visible.
So good afternoon sir, and good afternoon to all my classmates. Today we are going to present.
Can you make it a slideshow?
Yes sir, I can.
First of all, tell me your roll number. and then start the presentation.
The
Sir, I will
presentation, Prerna will start the presentation, sir.
Okay.
So roll number 58. Good morning, sir. I, Prerna Chandra, roll number 58, going to start this presentation on the topic graphical user interface programming, that is also known as GUI programming. My other presentation members are Rishu, Rohit, Ashish, and Srijan. Now I start this presentation by introduction part. Slides. Ashish. What is GUI? A GUI allows user to interact with electronic devices like computer, handheld devices, household devices, etc. GUI is a simpler and easier to use. It is faster programmer development. It is fast. GUI uses windows, icons, and menu to carry out commands such as opening file. It refers to the graphical interface of computer that allow user to click and drag object with a mouse instead of entering text at the command line. It basically works with tkinter. What is tkinter? It is a standard GUI library for Python. When it combined with Python, it provides fast and easy way to create GUI application. The further parts will be discussed by my group members. Thank you, sir.
Next.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
From BCA first sem, and I am here to represent today's topic GUI components. Example, window, frame, label. First, frame. Regular area of graphics and desktop publishing application. They are meant by intersecting public and text. Second, window. In the total visual screen of any application, it consists of visual and that the consists same of graphical user interface of program. It is formed by window decoration. Third, level. In this graphical control element which displays text on a frame, generally used to identify a text of computing level and uses when the text of written of information and name proposed. Now other components are discussed by Rohit. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I, Rohit Gupta, roll number 38. Now I discuss further parts that are textbook, text field, and menu.
अबे ड्राइवर चला गया.
Firstly, textbook. A textbook is a graphical controller element, often appears with a label and intent to enable the user's input text information used by the program. It is an area where user can input data and information. Secondly, text field. Slide change. Second, text field. It is a text controller GUI element that enables the users to the type of a small amount of text. When the users indicates that text entry is complete, the text field process an event. Third, menu. Slide change. It is a control that allow the users select an option out of list of option. It is the list opponent to the command presented or an operator by the computer. Now further part will be discussed by Ashish. Thank you, sir.
My name is Ashish Kumar. My roll number is 98, and I'll be discussing about buttons and scroll bars, and the third one. First of all, let's get to buttons. Buttons are controls which can be clicked upon to select an option from a selection or options. Its names come from the mechanical push button group on a car radio receiver. The second one is radio button. Radio buttons always appears in a pair or large group, and only one option in a group can be selected at a time. Selecting a new item from a group's button also deselects the previously selected button. Radio buttons are named after the physical buttons used in older radios to select present station. When one of the buttons was pressed, other button would pop out, leaving the pressed button only button in the pushed in position. And the third one is combo box. Combo box is a combination of a single line text box and a drop down list or list box. It allows the user to either type a value directly into the control or choose from the list of existing options. It is very useful when a user has to select a certain option among various options. Now the further presentation will be taken by Srijan.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Srijan. My roll number is 17, and I am going to represent about tree view. A tree view is a graphical control element that presents a hierarchical view of information. Each item, called branch or a node, can have a number of sub-items. This is often visualized indentation in a list. An item can be expanded to reveal some sub-items if any exist, and collapsed to hide sub-items. Tree view can be in a file manager application where they allow the user to navigate the file system directories. Now my next topic is slide change. Now my next topic is tab. Tab is a graphical control element. A tab allows multiple document or panel to contain within a single window. Tabs are popular in use as navigational widget, switching between the set of documents. Now my next topic is checkbox. Checkbox is a graphical element that allow user to make selection among the alternatives. Checkbox often presented as a small box in the shape of square. A checkbox usually accompanied by a label to provide box marks the box and makes a visible selection in the computer. Here, we would like to conclude our presentations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next group.
Sir, roll number, sir, 8.
Roll number 8.
27.
27.
107.
107.
47.
47. स्क्रीन शेयर कौन कर रहा है?
Prince, sir. 107. Prince.
107. अच्छा ठीक. स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Prince.
रोल नंबर बोलते जाइएगा अपना.
Yes, sir. So my voice is clear, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, starts. Good morning. Good afternoon, all of you. I am Sasi, here to present our group presentation on modular programming in Python. So next slide, please. Before starting this presentation, now take a look overview of our presentation. So our presentation have several sections. So first section, what is module and why Python modular programming feature will be covered by my friend Ayush Anand. And the third, types of module and how to create module in Python will be covered by my friend Prince. And how to import inbuilt modules and UST module in main project in Python will be covered by my friend Rohit. And the last two section, example and conclusion, will be covered by me. So I start this presentation. So I start this presentation with a question. That question is, what are the disadvantage and limitation of module? So I shall give answer of that question in conclusion section. So from next slide, my friend Ayush Anand continuing this. presentation. So I use come and continue this presentation.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Myself, Ayush Anand, and today I'm going to explain the topic modules. Modules. So let's start with what is modules. A module is a file containing code written by somebody else, which can be imported and used in our program. A module is also used in other programming languages, and we use module to break down a large program into a small and organized files. Next slide. So my next topic is why Python required modular programming feature. First one is minimization of dependencies is the goal. Second is efficient program development. And third one is program can develop more quickly with the modular approach, since a small subprogram are easier to understand, design, and test than a large program. So the next topic is explained by Prince.
Prince. Who is Prince? Prince, where is Prince?
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Myself, Prince Kumar, and good afternoon, everyone. And my topic is types of module. So let's start this. There are two types of module. First one is inbuilt module, and second is USD module. Let's talk about inbuilt module. Inbuilt module there are several built-in modules in Python, which user can be imported whenever he likes. This kind of module provided by Python programming. First, some examples are here: OS module, sys module, math module, a statics module, collection module, random module. So let's proceed to next slide. How to create module in Python? In Python, we need to go on file option, then click new, Python file name with extension py, and then our new module is created, CIMAGE. So the next type of module is explained by Rohit, my friend Rohit. So over to you, Rohit. Let's continue this.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all of you. I discuss USD module and how to import involved module and USD module in main project in Python. USD module, a module allow you to logically organize your Python code. Grouping related code into a module make the code easier to understand and use. So objective how to import a module. So there are three methods to import module. First method, import a space module name. Second method, from a space module name, a space import a space method name. Third method, from a space module name, a space import a space star. So everything import. Next slide, discuss Sasi.
Thank you, Rohit. So in this slide, I am talking about example of USD module. If you remember, in second last slide, my friend Prince discussed how to create module in Python and create module name as CIMAGE. So CIMAGE is modules and CIMAGE.py is module file. So in CIMAGE.py, you are defined several functions as per requirement or fulfill the requirement of the user. So in this CIMAGE.py module file, several functions are derived, such as add function, subtract function, and multiple functions. So in coming to next box, that is man.py. Man.py is also a Python file. So in this file, we are noticed that I use several functions, add function, subtract function, and multiple function, and passing suitable argument in it. And we are also notice I am able to get desired output. So, but how this is happened? So this is happened due to this line from CIMAGE import. So this line create link between module file to menu file. So this line create between link between this file and this file. So we not also notice in CIMAGE.py add function, subtract function, and multiple functions are all are defined. Due to this reason, I am able to get a suitable output when I use add function, subtract function, and multiple function in main.py. And one thing also, form CIMAGE import stack, you can able to import more than one function in main project of Python. So please next slide. So as per starting, I discuss about one question. That question is, what are the limitation and disadvantage of modular programming? So I give answer of that question in point. First of all, I give answer disadvantage of modular programming. So first disadvantage of modular programming is modular programming required and need extra memory and extra time. And the second, the joining of several modules is tricky task. And third, time and bugging of several module, finding bugging of several module is time consuming. Testing and debugging. And second part of this question is limitation of module. So I am not confident with my answer in limitation of module, but I give answer of that question. If you have another opinion about this question, so we are able to give opinion. So first point of that answer of this question is we cannot display images or video with the help of modular programming. The second point, we cannot format the text. So you are not satisfied with my answer, so please give your opinions, and sir is here to correct our answer. So thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
चलिए नेक्स्ट ग्रुप.
सर कोई वेटिंग में.
ये सब वेटिंग में आ जाता है, सब लास्ट में. चलिए नेक्स्ट ग्रुप है कोई?
Yes sir, roll on 15 and 34.
15 and 34.
Yes sir.
तो कर लीजिए 15 and 34.
स्क्रीन शेयर हुआ सर? Good afternoon sir. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Karan Kumar, and today my team member are here to present the presentation on topic searching and sorting, which is given by Ravi Soni sir, who is faculty of Python programming language in Siemens College. Before starting, I want to introduce my team member. Here is my team member. First, Karan Kumar, it's me. Second one, Nitesh Kumar, and third one is Diksha Singh. Today, Nitesh Kumar is not present here, so he will discuss this topic next class. My topic is searching and sorting. Now let's begin. Searching. Searching is an operation or a technique that helps to find the place of given element or value in the list. Any search is said to be successful or unsuccessful depending upon the whether the element that is being searched is found or not. Searching becomes very easy and efficient when the data is kept properly in sorted order. Now, types of searching. First one is binary search, and second one is linear search. It is also known as sequential search. Now, binary search. It is a searching technique applied on the list. It requires the list to be in sorted order. Binary search is very fast and efficient searching technique. In this technique, the search element first compare with the element present. First compare the center element which is present in the list. If the search value matches the center element, then the searching is successful. Otherwise, if it not matches, then the list is divided into two halves. First one is first half, which is goes from 0th element to middle element, and second half from middle element to last element. Now here is an example of binary search. So can I elaborate in Hindi?
Yes, what you are saying?
So can I elaborate it in Hindi?
हाँ कर सकते हैं.
सर यहाँ पे एक लिस्ट लिए हैं जो कि इम्पटी लिस्ट है. उसका हमने एक रेंज चला दिया 1 से 11 तक, जो कि 10 नंबर हम इनपुट में डालेंगे एन वेरिएबल के जरिए, और उस नंबर को इपेंड फंक्शन के यूज से हम लिस्ट में नंबर को इनपुट कर देंगे. पुट करने के बाद लिस्ट को सॉर्ट कर देंगे. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, फिर सर्च वैल्यू, ये सर्च इंटर करेंगे सर्च वैल्यू. आप रेंज 1 से 11 चलाएं तो मिनिमम इंडेक्सिंग 0 से स्टार्ट होगा और मैक्सिमम 9 तक ही जाएगा. यहाँ पे एक वाइल लूप का यूज करते हैं. अगर मिनिमम जो है हमारा मैक्सिमम या मैक्सिमम के बराबर या इससे छोटा हो तो मिड बराबर हो जाएगा मिन प्लस मैक्स बाय 2. और सर एक कंडीशनल इफ अगर मिड वैल्यू सर्च वैल्यू के अगर बराबर आ जाता है तो फाउंड होके यहाँ ब्रेक हो जाएगा, आगे करने की कोई जरूरी नहीं है. अगर नहीं मिला, मान लिया जाए कि सर्च वैल्यू हमारा मिड वैल्यू से बड़ा है, तो हमारा जो मिनिमम था वो अब न्यू बन जाएगा, जो कि हो जाएगा मिड प्लस 1. अगर सपोज हमारा सर्च वैल्यू जो है अगर मिड वैल्यू से छोटा होता तो मैक्सिमम जो हमारा इंडेक्सिंग था वो अब नया बन जाएगा, जो कि हो जाएगा मिड माइनस 1. लास्ट कंडीशन है, अगर मिनिमम जो है मैक्सिमम से बड़ा होता है तो प्रिंट तो नॉट फाउंड करेगा. यहाँ एक एग्जांपल लिए जो कि 10 नंबर इंटर किए 8 6 9 5 3 4 7 2 1 10. सर्च वैल्यू हमारा 9 है तो यहाँ प्रिंट किया फाउंड. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Diksha to cover the further slide.
Good morning, sir. This is Diksha, and I am here to tell about the topic types of sorting. So basically, there are 5 types of sorting: slide sheet, bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, and the last one is insertion sort. So let's start with first bubble sort. It is the simplest and easiest sorting of all the algorithm. It works on the principle of repeatedly swapping in adjacent elements if they are not in the right order. In simpler terms, if the input is to be stored in an ascending order, the bubble sort will first compare the first 2 elements in the list. In the second one, if the second one is smaller than the first one, it will swap the 2 and move on to the next element and so on. Now the second one is selection sort. It works on the technique of n-1 step if there are n elements. In each step, the first one will compare to the next all elements one by one as the given symbols. If comparison is true, it swaps the value. After completing a step, if the next step one value will be ignored, it means the next one after first one will be the first one. Now the third one is merge sort. Merge sort first divides the array into equal halves and then combined in the sorted manner. The fourth one is quick sort. In this method, an element called pivot is identified and that element is fixed in a place by moving all the elements less than to its left and all the elements greater than to its right side. The last one is insertion. Insertion sort involves finding the right place for the given element in a sorted list. So in the beginning, we compare the first 2 elements and sort them by comparing them. Then we pick the third element and find its proper position among the previous sorted element. This way we gradually go and adding more elements to the list by putting them in their proper position. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next. वन मोर ग्रुप, एक और ग्रुप का होगा।
रोल नंबर 23 और 83।
4 23 और 83 ना।
यस सर।
चलिए स्टार्ट कीजिए।
सर ऐसा है
सर
कि
103 भी है।
हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं?
103
सर 103।
103 चलिए ठीक है। हाँ स्टार्ट कीजिए। कैमरा ऑन रखिए आप लोग।
हेलो।
हाँ स्टार्ट कीजिए।
हुआ?
हाँ स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है, मोबाइल से है ना?
यस सर। सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम।
तो फिर कैसे होगा? नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा तो
हेलो
किसी और को दे दीजिए जिसका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
विजुअल है, दिख रहा है। हेलो।
हाँ अभी विजुअल है, दिख भी रहा है। स्टार्ट कीजिए। रोल नंबर अपना बोलते जाइएगा।
रोल नंबर गुड आफ्टरनून सर, I am Bca Kumar, roll number 4, a student of the BCA. Now we are going to the presentation of Python data type. What is data type? Data type are resented word proved by programming language and specify the size, memory and range of the value for variable. We talk about the Python data type. There are 5 basic type of Python data type. First, list. Second, string. Third, tuple. Fourth, number. Fifth, dictionary. Now we are now group member will be describe all data type one by one. Thank you.
Sir, today our two colleagues are not present, so number data types and string data type will be discussed by them in next classes.
Okay.
And I will discuss this data
you
type.
can move your turn, ठीक है? जो आपका टर्न है आप वहां पे मूव करके उसको दे दे।
Yes sir, my name is Shubham Singh, roll number 23, and I will discuss about the list data type. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start. List data type is the most widely used data type in Python. It provides the facility to make a list of similar or dissimilar types of value. It is sortable, it is editable, means we can edit the value of list. Here we can see an example that if we take a list and the elements are 1, 2, and 3, then if we put
your camera is not on.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है ना, इस वजह से शायद बंद होगा मेरा कैमरा।
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं होता है।
मोबाइल पे हो जाता है सर।
मोबाइल पे हो जाता है? अच्छा
ये फोन पे हो जाता है।
अच्छा चलिए कोई बात नहीं। स्टार्ट।
Yes sir, I have given so if you put the value L0 then it will give the value 1, if you put L1 then it will give 2, and L2 gives the value 3. And list is represented by big braces, and it supports slicing and concatenation also. Here in the figure, there are some of the list methods. The append, I will discuss one by one all the methods. The append method is used to return it returns a value. Means append is used when we have to add a single element in a existing list. And extend method is used to add some of the specified list elements to the existing list. And insert is used to insert an element to the list, and remove is used to remove an element from the list. And pop is used to remove and return the last value from the existing list. And clear is used to clear the elements of list. हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए। पापा जी का कॉल आ रहा है तुम्हारे।
जी सर, बाद में बात।
ठीक
सर, index is used to search for a given element from the start of the list and returns the value, return the lowest index value. And count is used to count all the elements of a list. And sort is used to sorted the list of a specified iterable object. And reverse is used to reverse an element of the list. It does not return any value, but it actually reverse the present element of the list. And copy method is used to copy the whole list elements. That's all from me. And now over to Hari Murari. Hari Murari.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. My topic is tuple. Start, sir.
हाँ स्टार्ट कीजिए। स्टार्ट। आई एम हियरिंग and watching.
A tuple contains a group of elements which can be same or different type. Tuple are immutable. It is similar to list, but tuple are read only, which means we can not modify its elements. Tuple are used to store data which should not be modified. It occupies less memory compared to list. Tuple are represented using parentheses. Creating empty tuple. Syntax: tuple name equal to small brackets.
नहीं tuple जो होता है आप you are writing here the middle bracket, but tuple follows by the small bracket.
Yes, sir, a small bracket.
But in your slide it is looking the middle bracket. This is not a small bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There may be some typing error.
Typing error, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है।
Creating tuple. We can create a tuple by writing elements separated by commas inside parentheses. Index. An index represented the position numbers of an tuple's elements. The insiders store from 0 onwards and written inside a square bracket. Example, yes, sir. Thank you.
Hello,
Now
sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Adarsh Kumar, roll number 103, and I go to represent dictionary data types in Python. Dictionary, it provides the facility to make a list composition of data, its field name or its key value. It can be represented by curly braces, and value can be assigned as using square braces. It is unordered, changeable, and indexed. We can create dictionary list in data types in Python. First, it can be represented by curly braces, and value in can assigned by a square braces. That's also.
Okay. हो गया. ओके अब एक सिंगल बच्चा जो बच गया है वो कौन था? रोल नंबर 17. तो आप अपना कर लीजिए
सर 18 भी.
ओके सर 17 18 एक ही साथ है दोनों?
नहीं सर 18 अलग है.
तो अलग है, तो अभी 17 का करेंगे, 18 का आप अगले बार में कर लीजिएगा बिकॉज काफी ये हो गया है.
ठीक है सर.
अटेंडेंस भी करना.
So can I start, sir?
हाँ, start.
So my topic was multi-threading, and my teammates have already presented a presentation, half presentation on it. Till topic number 4, how to achieve multi-threading in Python. Now I will further proceed, sir. I will start with what is thread. So a thread is basically an independent flow of execution. A single process can consist of multiple threads. Each thread in a program performs particular tasks. A thread is similar to the sequential program described previously. A single thread also has a beginning, a sequence, and an end at any time during the runtime of thread. There is a single point of execution. However, a thread is itself not a program. A thread cannot run on its own. Rather, it runs within a program. Methods in this thread class.
Okay, बोलते रहो, carry on.
The class which provide all the major functionalities required to create and manage a thread is called thread class. And there are different methods in thread class. First method is start method, then run method, then join method, after that set name, and followed by get name. This first method, the start method, I will explain the start method. The method required to start the thread in other, the method which start the thread is called the start method. In other words, we can say that if we want to execute a thread, then we need to start, then we start method is then start method is required. Example, thread object, thread object, after that start method name. Second is run method. The entry point of every thread when we want to run or execute the thread, all essential process or operations regarding is called run method. Third is join method. It join method and wait for thread. Wait for thread until another thread completes its execution. Fourth method is set name method. That this specify the name of the thread. Example, object dot set name, or after that name or name of the thread. Fifth is get name. The return, this return the name of the thread. Example, object.getName. Next is advantages and disadvantages of multi-threading. Advantages of multi-threading are enhanced performance by decreased development time. Disadvantage, complex debugging and testing process. Decreased cost of maintenance. Disadvantage, overhead switching of context. Better use of CPU. Increased difficulty level in writing program. Disadvantage, better, and the last advantage is better use of cache storage by utilization of resources, and the last disadvantage is unpredictable results. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. चलिए, बाकी जो बचा हुआ है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में आप लोगों की प्रेजेंटेशन होगी. जितने लोग का बचेगा हुआ है वो लोग प्रिपेयर करके नेक्स्ट क्लास में आते हैं स्टार्ट कर लेंगे. ठीक है, नो मैटर कि ग्रुप है या इंडिविजुअल है, ग्रुप को पहले देंगे चांस, फिर इंडिविजुअल को बारी बारी से कराएंगे. ओके
ओके सर.
ओके, सो